For December's monthly mini, I wanted to explore contrast, not just light and dark, but temperature. Cold armor set in a frozen environment with a warm firelight cutting through it. This is Frost and Ember. I'm not chasing perfection here, just a clean build and a solid idea I can actually pull off. Before we get into painting, I really want to quickly explain what the monthly mini is all about. This isn't about painting the best model possible or pushing advanced techniques. It's about picking one simple idea each month, committing to it, and actually finishing the miniature. I'm still learning this stuff myself, and this series is as much about progress as it is about the final result. For this one, I'm keeping the base really simple. Everything starts with Abaddon Black, not because it's fancy, but because it gives me a clean place to push contrast from later. To really sell the cold environment, I'm bringing in Cantor Blue. I'm not using this as a base color, I'm thinning it way down and letting it act more like a wash, just to push some cold tones into the black armor. This step isn't about precision, it's just about shifting the mood and making everything feel colder overall. At this point, the model's still really dark. It's intentional, but I definitely want to bring a little lightness to the edge highlights. I want the armor to stay cold and heavy. Instead of just pure gray, I'm mixing Abaddon Black with a little Cantor Blue and just a touch of Corax White. This is going to give me a soft, cool edge highlight that keeps the black feeling icy rather than white and chalky. For the white areas, I just want to keep things really simple. Rakarth Flesh first, then Corax White to clean it up and push the contrast. I wasn't trying to make it perfect, just readable against the black armor. We're in the final stretch. This is where things get messy. Once I started introducing the warm colors, I didn't really have a tight plan anymore. I knew I wanted heat on the backside of the model, but I was mostly reacting as I went. And honestly, this is where my skill level shows. I'm not controlling the light as much as I want to yet. I'm just trying to feel my way towards the idea. It's not clean, it's not refined, but the idea is there: cold armor, warm influence, fire against ice. And for this monthly mini, I'm happy with this.